Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to see the topic on code generation algorithm, which is very important topic in the compiler design. The code generator is a final part of the compiler which is used to generate the final code, that is object code. The code generator which receives the intermediate representation with the supplementary information in the symbol table. Also, the main task or role of the code generator is instruction selection, register allocation, and instruction ordering. So basically the code generator which receives the intermediate code from the code optimizer and then will produce the final code, that is object code. The code generator used to generate code for the single basic block. Normally, the basic block is a collection of three address statements which consist of three temporary variables such as T1, T2 and T3 which keep track of register allocation and assignment. The register allocation, it's a process of deciding what a value a register must hold, and register assignment, it's a process of picking up a register to store a value of a variable. Also, the register descriptor maintain the value stored in a register and inform the availability of register to code generator. Finally, the address descriptor, which is maintaining the memory location, what are the registers, what are the locations are used in a program. Code generator algorithm which consists of the two important function. The first function is function get register. The function get register is used to select register for each memory location associated with the three address statement. This function get register decides the status of register and the location of value name. The second important function is get register, which is used for processing the variables one by one. So we have a three important constraint. If a needed variable y is already stored in a register, it uses that register. Also, it uses that register or holding in a y. If a variable is not in the register, then any available register is used by the function. If both and two cases are not likely to happen, then the get register picks up a register value which costs the minimum number of load and store operation. So for a three address statement and instruction of form x equal to y OP Z, it means that x comma y comma z are the operands. Then operators such as plus, minus, star, these are the operators. So this is a three address code. X equal to y OP Z is a three address code which is following the actions are performed. The operations used in the three address codes are, we are using the load operation, store operation and the computation operation. The load operation uses the code as LD. LD represents load operation. For example, LD RX means LD R1, R2 loads the value of location X in a register R. For example of store operation, we have a syntax ST R, X, that is R stores value in a register R in location X. We have using the computation operation R addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, consider A is equal to B plus C. The variables are, the operands are A, B, C. The A, B, C are known as the operands and equal to plus are known as the operators. By using the register R0 and R1, we are storing the values in the given register. For example, the code generation example, we have a three address code. T1 is equal to A minus B and T2 is equal to C minus D and T3 is equal to E plus T2 and T4 is equal to T1 plus T2. For generating the code generation, we have two important steps. The first step is construct the tree and second step is writing the object code for the given tree address code. The first step, construct the tree for the first given triple code T1 is equal to A minus C and construct the tree for the given second triple T2 is equal to C minus D. See the diagram. The final step is T4 is equal to T1 plus T3. We have included the primary step A minus B and then the third step T3 is equal to T2 plus E. We are combining these two steps and produce the code as T4 is equal to T1 plus T3. So for this we are writing the object code R1 is equal to A minus B and R1 is equal to R1 plus R0. So here the final value is stored in the register R1. So this is known as the code generation algorithm. So next session will be on tag. Thank you. பார்க்கலாம் எது சரியா இல்லையோ க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவா இதுவாமா